Hello, I'm Bhagya and this is my final project. So I would say this is a really very challenging project I had to do, but after doing that, the final result is amazing. So I'm going to walk you through the what I did in this project. So basically, this is the navigation bar, and this is the borderline. And in the navigation bar, the home, about, sign up, these things are aligned to the left side. And also a cool thing I learned from the Hubble side, there's a, as you can see, when it goes hovering and it like dims the color, and I applied it here also. And also this borderline and introducing this section I call the intro section, and there's an image and two headlines, and then going down there's a button, and also I applied this hovering effect to change the color also. And this part is a little bit challenging and a new thing because it has a box shadow, so I had to learn how to this shadow will be applied. And then there is a small text after that, the borderline, and also this section I call the about section, where there is two column layout, and there's text. And I have also divided this text to two descriptions, so I can check whether the alignments and also this image. And then there's another borderline, and there sign up and also a form kind of thing, a button. Initially, I was planned to do like buttons, as in the image. I can say that there are like buttons, but I thought that, but there is your name, your email address. There should be some field to the user to type. So I thought of installing some feature that the user can type. So actually, I didn't know how to do the both, like button thing and the form thing, so placeholder thing. So uh, I used ChatGPT to ask how to do this both. So it helped me really well to initialize how to enter these your name and your email address to combine both. In here, I can type my name, and in here my email address, like that. uh, then this button sign up, so sign up is a button and these two are inputs, and then this box is again box shadow is there, and these buttons and boxes are, they really look alike. So buttons I applied the same colors and things to the same. So and after that there's a small text, and going down there's a borderline, and there's a legal notes in the footnotes. So I will show you the how this works to the 1060 pixels. So in here, yeah, 1060, I will move this a little bit. Okay, like this. So this should be 100. 1060. Yes. So here is the web page I have created, and this is for large screen. This is a 100% and 1060 pixels. And going down, I can show you it's the same as the image given. This way. Okay. uh, and also I will show you at the same time how I managed to do the 400 pixel, and here you can see it's adjusted for 400 pixel, and this is the image you've given us that we are supposed to do. So the navigation, it was centered, and then specifically this was before it's two column layout, now it's one layout. And here sign up, and this box is a little centered, and then I will this is so therefore 1060 and 400, this image is compatible. So moving on to the code, here is the code, index html and the style css. So I have a intro section, main navigation section, intro section, and about section, and sign up section, finally the footer legal notes. So I have created separate classes sections, and added semantics html, header, main section, footer for better accessibility, and then moving to the css file, which is styles.css. And it's cool that there's a root given in, so I can apply the colors and there's consistency. So so I learned it that also. And moving on, the border button, it was a little bit challenging for me, but I learned it. So this is the border bottom, and also I have applied the transitions, which was learned by the previous Apple site. And also there's a hover I applied to change the colors and the main navigation, and then moving to the down, and here intro button. Oh, this button, the button shadows, box shadows, it's a little bit challenging, I'll tell you that, because the shadows, box shadows are sometimes left shadows, right shadows, so I have to figure out how to do it. And also uh, form, in form I have adjusted the box shadow, also styled input, which is the input I have made similar way to the box colors. And as the button I have showed you, as this button I have to make the same colors to the input fields. After this is the placeholder, so for the inputs I have placeholders. So, and the responsive css, this was a little bit challenging because I had to justify the content space evenly. That is okay, that but moving to the this part, this box, and this part, doing it one line is was very challenging for me. But however, I did the project and I'm so happy about it. Thank you for listening.